So I can describe my vectors also with this type of nomenclature here. So you have to have these angle brackets, an A and B, and A and B are the endpoints. Kind of like the X and Y values. The vector has to start, for this vector, it always, origin, or it starts at the origin. So whatever the vector is, it goes like this, it ends here, and so this is AB, and it starts at 0. Okay. So if I have a vector that I name as P1, P2, and I can write them like that, that's saying that I start at P1, which has some X1, Y1 points, and then I end at P2, which is described as X2, X2, Y2, then I can rewrite this as a algebraic vector where the X value is X2 minus X1, and the Y value is Y2 minus Y1. So it has the same magnitude and direction as my original P1, P2, so the same magnitude and direction. The difference is that it starts at the origin, whereas this one started at X1, Y1. And we say two vectors are equal if, so V, which equals A1, B1, and W, which equals A2, B2, these are equal. So V1 equals W, V equals W if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 equals B2. We also have two special unit vectors. And they are I and J. And I is in the X direction, and J is in the Y direction. They both have a length of 1. So this lets me write my vector, some vector AB, as A times I plus B times J, because remember A is the X magnitude and B is the Y magnitude, and we're going in those two directions. So if I have something like that, then I know that the magnitude of that vector V, if that was V, would be the square root of A1 squared plus B1 squared.